Daddy Rocky, he's so behaved. Every time I'm eating, he would like to eat also. If I will not feed him or I will not let him try whatever I eat, he just only sitting down. But right now, I let him eat to his cat food, baked chicken and tuna. While my dinner is the shrimps, baked broccoli, and potato with a flavor of beef. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow our video to stay updated and my next video with Rocky. God bless you all.